Want a pro way to enter safe mode on Windows 11? You can do it with MSConfig. Let me quickly show you how to do it step by step. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the CNATT channel. To enter safe mode using MSConfig, open the Start menu, type MSConfig, and open the System Configuration app. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab. Check the box for Safe Boot, then select one of the following options based on your needs. Minimal for basic safe mode without networking. Network for safe mode with networking support. In safe mode with networking, you typically only have a wired or Ethernet connection. Wi-Fi is usually disabled. Click Apply, then OK, and select Restart to boot directly into safe mode. Keep in mind, if you don't revert this setting, your computer will continue to boot into safe mode every time it starts. This method is recommended only for experienced users who are comfortable modifying system boot configurations. Use caution and make sure you know how to revert the changes to avoid getting stuck in safe mode. To exit safe mode using MSConfig, open MSConfig again. Go to Boot tab. Uncheck Safe Boot. Click Apply and OK. Restart your computer to boot normally. This is one of the fastest methods, but if your PC won't boot or you want more advanced options, I covered 4 additional ways in the full tutorial. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.